Hey everyone, this is Steven with Digital Marketing in a Flash, coming to you with yet another video. Today we're going to talk about headline optimization and analyzation, and there's several free tools that you can use that's on the web. I personally like to use Headline Studio from Coschedule. It's a very intuitive, easy to use software system. After you've logged into your account or created your account, you're going to log into an account that looks like this. With the free version, you have the ability to generate up to 3 different headlines, but those are interchangeable, so please don't let that hold you back from using this software. It's an amazing tool. So basically take any headline that you're looking to put in and basically hit analyze, in my case reanalyze, and Headline Studio is going to give you a complete score and some suggestions on what you can do to make your headline better. This is a tool that I use almost daily for my blog content and/or finding titles for web pages is on my website. What I like the most about this software is it gives you a complete breakdown and really helps you generate better headlines to really produce the kind of traction and lead generation that you're looking for from your content. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Please don't forget to like, share, or leave a comment below. Also, don't forget to subscribe so you can stay up to date on our latest tutorials. That's it for now. Have a great day.